So what do we see here? The boys and plays. Now these two parts don't match with each other. Then we have the boy. And what do we have here? Play. But even these two parts don't match with each other. Now we see that the boys and the word play, they exactly match with each other. So what is to be learned from here? We see here the subject is the boys and it is plural. And here this is the verb which perfectly fits with the plural subject. So this is also plural. What about this one? Here the subject is the boy and this is singular, and this verb clearly matches with the singular subject. So this verb is also singular. So what do we see? We see that when the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. When the subject is singular, the verb is also singular. Then only the sentence can be correct and they will make sense. So here you see the boy plays is our complete sentence and the boys play is a complete sentence. So what do we see? We see that a verb must agree with its subject in number and person. Now this is a basic rule related to subject-verb agreement. So it is not enough to have a subject and the verb in a sentence. The subject and the verb need to agree with each other. In what terms? In number and in person. So a singular subject will take a singular verb and a plural subject will take a plural verb. Now look at this sentence. A man dash waiting at the station. So are we going to use is or are? A man is waiting at the station or a man are waiting at the station? Well, a man denotes singular number. Therefore, we will use is waiting at the station because a always refers to a singular noun and man here is denoting a singular number. Hence, a man will be a singular subject which will be followed by a singular verb. So, a man is waiting at the station. But if we say people dash waiting at the station. Now, in this case, what should be the verb? Should we use a singular verb or a plural verb? Well, you see people refers to more than one person. So, we are referring to a plural number. So, people denotes plural number. Hence, here we will have are waiting. So, a man is waiting at the station. But if it is people, it should be people are waiting at the station. Some girls dash out in the courtyard. So, here what do we see? Some girls is the subject. Now, some girls. Already girls is plural and we also have used the word some. So, some girls will refer to more than one girl. So, it is a plural subject. Hence, we need a plural verb after it. And it will be, so it will be some girls are out in the courtyard. Now, if we have many workers dash standing outside. So, what do we see here? Many workers. So, once again we have a plural subject. So, we need a plural verb. So, it will be are standing outside. So, some girls are out in the courtyard. Many workers are standing outside. So, with plural subjects, we will always have a plural verb. Several scientists dash worked on this project. Now, here also we note several scientists. So, here it is a plural subject. So, what type of a verb do we need? We need a plural verb. Therefore, it will be have worked on this project. So several scientists have worked on this project. But in this case, the rocket dash been launched successfully. So here, what is the subject? Our subject is the rocket. The rocket refers to one single rocket. Hence, it is singular subject. So we need a singular verb in this case. So it will be has been launched successfully. So the two sentences, as you see, when we have plural subject as in several scientists, we use have, and when we have singular subject as in the rocket, we use has. Now fill in the blank with the correct option. The vehicles dash stuck in the traffic jam. The options are is and are. So here the subject is the vehicles. Now what do vehicles refer to? More than one. So vehicles refers to plural subject. So it will be followed by plural verb. Now which of these is a plural verb? Obviously are. Hence our correct answer would be the vehicles are stuck in the traffic jam. There dash too many people in this line. So here, what is the subject of the sentence? So here, too many people, this is the subject of the sentence, and the verb is placed before the subject. But no matter where the subject is, the verb will always agree with the subject of the sentence and not with any other word. So here, too many people refers to more than one person. That means it's plural. So the verb that should be used in this blank needs to be plural as well. So here our correct answer would be there are too many people in this line. So are, this verb is related to the part too many people. So people being plural, we have to use a plural verb here. But if the sentence would have been there dash a postman waiting for you. So in this case, what do we see? What is our subject? A postman. Now a postman is already referring to a single person. So we are referring to a singular subject. So what should be used? We should use a singular verb. So here it will be is a postman waiting for you. So the two sentences are there are too many people in this line. There is a postman waiting for you. So whenever you have a sentence beginning with there, you must note that the subject will come after the verb in most cases. As such, the subject needs to be identified carefully, and accordingly we will have the verb. If we have a plural subject, we will take a plural verb. If we have a singular subject, we will use a singular verb. Now fill in the blank with the correct option. There dash always a beautiful smile on my mother's face. So what are the options given? Are, is. Now this sentence once again begins with there. So we have to identify which is the proper subject in this sentence. Now the subject of this sentence is a beautiful smile. So a beautiful smile. I am referring to one smile, therefore it is singular. So it will be a beautiful smile will always be a singular subject. Hence we will use is. So there is always a beautiful smile on my mother's face. So what did we learn today? We have learned that the subject and the verb in a sentence must agree with each other in number and in person. If we have a singular subject, we use a singular verb. If we have a plural subject, we use a plural verb. Now, there are many more rules related to subject-verb agreement about which we are going to learn very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at DeltaStep, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.